ball into his hands, but that has paid dividends, and that will be the goal. As we head over to the final of this NSBM, the Green Shields organized by the NSBM Football Society. At the team sheets for this all-important final, NSBM are led by Lairu Randania, and plenty of eye-catching names as well who will look on to put on a show.
And it's NSBM to kick things off in this final. Finals to support the home team, and it's a yellow card straight away for NSBM centre half. It's a decent hit and hits the final defender. Good block by NSBM. The small duels, and here's this is really good by NSBM, and there's an opportunity to score, and there scores! NSBM go 1 goal up in this all-important final in the 4th minute.
It's the skipper Lairu Randania who breaks the deadlock in this final, and the captain stepping up when it was needed for them. Possible a couple of minutes more left, but the referee says otherwise, and it's half time. It will be NSBM who will be going into the break with just the 1 goal lead. Raised plenty of questions, but all unanswered ones in that first half. Indeed, they'll have to continue this. We did see them really trying and knocking on the door in that first half, but things just didn't go their way in that first half, and that's the first booking of the game.
Ridwan with the dead ball duties, and puts in a good ball, and there scores. Slit have equalized through him, Sara, the skipper. This was coming, Ridwan.
Captain's armband, and he follows his counterpart and heads his team a goal, and a much needed one for Slit as well. And a brilliant
Jacinto Fernando with nifty bit of footwork with that captain's armband taken from Lairu Randania, and that's a push, and that will be a booking for Ridwan. Unnecessary, I must say, from Ridwan. Nipuna Dimel and Jacinto Fernando, and that's an own goal. That's an own goal from the feet of Lukman. Jacinto Fernando enforcing it. Won the free kick and converted it. NSBM will take it however it comes. And NSBM go into the lead in the 50th minute of this game. A goal out of nowhere for NSBM, and they go into lead.
And that is just a careless from the NSBM keeper. He didn't have to do that. He had enough of time to get that ball into his hands, but that has paid dividends, and that will be the goal that will decide this game and the championship. A brilliant finish, and what a fitting end to this game. Against the run of play, look at that finish. He waited for that ball to bounce and just finished it. Textbook.
Here's Lokman, and he shoots, and that's a goal. Game is not over yet, folks. It's Fezri Afzal with the consolation.
Time will tell us. And that's your full-time whistle. The referee had his whistle, and it's NSBM who will walk out as champions of the Green Shield. The Shield of Green is well and surely here to be lifted by NSBM.
That's the full-time confirmation. NSBM 3 and Slit reply 2 goals, and
අසීමිත අවස්ථාවන් සපිරි ලොවකට පිවිසෙන්න NSBM හරිත සරසවිය පරිපූර්ණ විශ්වවිද්‍යාල අත්දැකීමක්.